Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Shibenai tam menshua wei Shipai jongkari naka Indian Army Major David Manlum ula kelanyap haka jeng kon persha bagi kenhon keng atiar haka miet nyau terek ubna jilio balala haka jeng kon kabalaja haka jila Nagaland. Hadin Shibenai tam menta ka sarkar pedang leng ba Tnad defense klasio bainong ye kini kelong yeng da kejing ai buram da kapisa. Ya kapisa ka bakot nyau pusan lak tingka la IT syagi bahyeng jong Major David Manlun hak jelang kabalalong hak yengsa jong nehiu Shipai hasnong Happy Valley Shillong. Hak ni jelang lai dan rengkat ru uwei ni kihe jok Tnad Shipai u General Officer Commanding jong ka pertan Shipai 101 area u Lieutenant General DS Ahuja bat kiwei de kihe Shipai. Hadian ka jelang ka basipor hak baki nongkren kila perto ya ka kamslor jong Major David Manlum u Lieutenant General DS Ahuja. Hanya kesengi ula IT syagi bahyeng yang kini kepisa kabakot nyop sanlak tengka dah kecek. Habakaran hak jelang kihe Shipai kele thuru bak Jingïarap syakani kelong yeng kan amkot tang kini kepisa kabala IT hanya kesengi. Henrai nak kaliang sarkar pedang kalapan kre ru sa sauh lak tengka kat bana ka sarkar jela nyo point sanlak tengka.
As you all know, Major David Manlun, late Major David, he laid down his life for the motherland and made the extreme sacrifice. I don't think there could be a better way to lay down your life than for the service of the nation. He was a brave soldier, and as you are aware, there was an operation on the night of 6-7 June which was carried out in the Mon district of Nagaland, bordering Myanmar, in which he led the way in the operation and displayed exemplary courage. In the operation, 3 terrorists were killed and a large quantum of arms and ammunition was recovered. And I salute late Major David Manlun. What the army is doing for him, whatever terminal benefits that are due to him. You just witnessed a check of 75 lakhs was presented. This is just the beginning. There is more to follow over the next few months, and he will get another 40 to 50 lakhs from the government, which includes the central government ex gratia payment. What the state government has to do, that is also under process. Another 7.5 lakhs should come from the state government. And late Major David's parents have conveyed to me some help that is required from the state government, which I shall be taking up with the Chief Minister and do my best, whatever possible, to meet their requirements. And once again, I feel deeply honored to have been given this privilege on behalf of the Army to present this small token of our gratitude. And a life cannot be quantified in terms of amount or money. It's priceless. That's all we must understand. Whatever the government has to do, it will do.
Although my son was passed away, I am with my son. I am proud of my son. He died in hero. And being an army, I'm going to get everything. Although he died, I'm going to get everything. Really, he's not dying. And all these things is the plan of God. So I am proud of my son. Thank you.